Okay, we're going to try to attempt to get this engine back in the truck without ruining it. This should be interesting. As high as I can get it, so not this wedge. We have to guide it right into that and let it drag right over it. As soon as we get it over in the oil pan, side of it.
Just keep it in motion and come forward and put a hand stop like that. Tell me to stop.
Alright.
If you want me to go toward the road to back it up really quick or something, just point like that. This way? Yeah. Works for you?
Hang on.
Yeah.
Oh, it's in it.
Just cram it.
No, I pulled it. Like I said. I took this was easy to handle. This and I just pulled it to the side. The rest of the junk out of the way. Well, there you go. We got it situated over it. Now the fun is to take my second strap here and bring the safety glasses onto this one. Tighten it too tight. Down here, not up there. Latch at a time. Get a pull. Yep, there you go. You got the idea. There, I got it. Release the tension. You can pull. Have to remember. Yeah, because your mind's going, no! Don't want to fall on it.
Wow, they did raise it.
Come on.
It's not one, it's another.
Put that hammer there for a reason.
That one there.
I got it.
touching the front rail. Pretty much almost touching it. Whatever it's closest to there, and this stuff passes. So it can drop in. But it needs to be close enough there. So it's touching. Close enough. That's it. That's perfect. You went in, and then when you went to the brake, I went to slide a little bit back. That's greatly out there pushing her up. Continue this. I can see that. The worst part is you gotta put this against the transmission by taking this mount off. You gotta take the whole engine and somehow slide it back. This mount I got on it. Those pins gotta come off. Like that. Yeah. Workout. Now the fun part is we're like in the truck again. Yep. Now when I turn that tractor off, I can smell exhaust. Getting there. About what? Right there. Another 6 inches. Because you have to get it up right onto the transmission, right? Yeah, close to it. As close as I can. Because I gotta take these out. Yeah. And then somehow push it back. That's the tricky part, somehow. You know how I am, because the wheel took away. Now it's getting in that corner. Ready to laying on the mount, that's why. It's laying on the mount. We'll slide around the mount. Oh, great. You need to achieve the slope. What's that? You need to achieve the slope, I think. You're finished the driver right into it? Yes, the tractor around the ground.
No, right there.
No, right there. No more. No, I think that's too far. You want it that close into it?
What? Probably drove it right into it.
Oh yeah. A little too far, is it? That's what I'm thinking.
Just let off the brake.
Because it was like
Good.
good on the as you achieve the height.
Come on. Come on, old Betsy.
Right there.
You want to put something behind the tire? Second gear too. Oh, you can't stick it in gear and put the brake on, like the old one. So a little too far the first time. Drove it right into the cab.
It didn't do anything. It just is
A little too far.
pressing on things.
Popped over the mount. Oh yeah, she's over the mount. Dang, let's go far back, huh?
Is that what we do? We just jump on the. We both get on top of it.
She's over.
I noticed that weight.
Tire's a little flat.
A little flatter now.
Oh wait, yeah, we already made them flat.
Should we put airbag
Now the fun part. I think it's taking the rest of the way. It's only sitting on a few things. Like that.
in? No, it actually
Bypassed it.
it just hit it, but it didn't lock it.
Well guys, now the fun part. We got it in there. And we had it all the air out of the tires. Because this is only an 8-foot roof and we needed a lot more. So, wow, look at that. The old girl's got her engine back in her. Laying on everything. We gotta push it back. Oh, what does it say back there? It's off cockeyed. Look at that. So we gotta take off those there. I gotta get that seal behind me and not forget it. This thing. It's called the seal. It's a lunk of steel. It's a seal, I guess. Okay. Whatever they said. And, yeah. Now the question me ask, how am I gonna get this pushed back? Well, as my brother knows, just piss me off and, well, I'll find energy to know I'm weak. And it'll go back. One way or another. A little pump jack would work too. See? Told you, one way or another. But that's so far how far I am. This is the second video. I showed you the engine earlier. Now I got it in the truck. Now the fun of hooking everything up. So yeah, we'll have a video of slowly coming back together. I'm hoping I can try to at least get this mounted to the transmission today. That's the goal. The goal was to get in the truck and then onto the transmission. And then one hose at a time, one wire at a time, and one bolt at a time. Jeez, fun.